Today is gonna be about trying to fly the drone here in Japan. Flying is not impossible. It is a little bit scary because getting caught flying illegally is about $4,500 fine. So I spent about 2 hours today finding out where to go. I came to Ikoma. I'm about to get into a cable car to take me up a mountain to see if I can fly there.
See new places and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things. Maybe to forget it.
Okay, so here are the rules to flying a drone in Japan. Oh, by the way, I ended up at an amusement park by accident. I downloaded this app, and in the map it shows me some red areas, some good areas, whatever, and that's pretty much what I've been using to guide myself where to fly. And I guess like what it does, it just takes in consideration airports and populated areas and tells you where there's not so many. So far it's been good. Still scary though, because obviously I don't know if the app is accurate. Flying a drone here in Japan, it's not impossible, but definitely it's a little bit scary, especially if you don't know the language, you don't know the rules, and you know, it can be intimidating because $4,500 fine. It's what I really like about the portability of this drone is that I can also do footage using the drone in my hand. So there's places in Japan that I've been that I have not been able to fly the drone. It would have been amazing to fly it, but I brought it, so I was still able to get some footage. I hope you enjoyed the footage. Now I'm gonna try to see if I can find another place to fly, and if not, I'm gonna go find some food. Check this out. I think I have an idea.
Your skill is extraordinary.
Probably not the smartest thing for me to do, but I came down the mountain. I saw this sign for this temple. I thought it was pretty cool, but now I realize I'm way too far for my train station, so I'm trying to figure out different. fly the drone today, I pretty much the only thing I kept in mind is to not go to a very touristy place because I know there's gonna be a lot of people. Even though I ran into an amusement park today, which was cool, still it wasn't as many people as when you go to a tourist spot. So I think that helped a lot. If you're thinking of bringing a drone here to Japan, I say totally do it. Just be mindful of where you can fly, where you like plan it out in advance. I literally spent like about an hour this morning trying to figure out where to fly.